welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh, it's morning already. Girl, I just renovated my bedroom. Now is this my bed? Like coming up, why am I feeling so sick? Girl, why am I feeling sick, girl? I don't know why I'm feeling sick. Let me just on this light. Oh my gosh, it's so bright in here. Girl. Yes, on this light. Oh, I can't stay in my PJs that long, so let me just go shower. I'm also very hungry. Girl, what happened to me? Let me just go take a shower, okay? I'm coming out with a cold. Girl. I'm feeling a bit sick. Girl, what's wrong with me? I just woke up. Maybe it's because I just woke up and everything just messed up. It should be like that. I hope it don't get worse. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Girl, the puppy girl. Okay, there. I'm gonna wash my face. I'm so tired. Let me brush my teeth. I always get ready by doing this. Oh, I have to clean the sink. I don't really feel like doing anything today. I'm very bored. Last night I wasn't even feeling good before I went to bed. I don't feel good. Good. My Instagram is literally messaging me on my phone. Stupid. Jill. Okay. Let me see if I can find any thing where I could get a thermometer. Okay, I think I found one over here. Okay, let me just get it. Okay, perfect. Let me just check the temperature. Oh my gosh, over 100 degrees. It's just burning. Oh my god. I think I'm coming down with fever. I need to brush my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so sick. Okay, there. My hair is so messed up, you guys. I need to get some hairspray. Okay, let me just get it. Okay, since I just showered, I always put this on. Wait, girl, I forgot what is it called. Wait, I can't get it. What's wrong with this game? Okay, there, I can take it now. Just press E, okay? There. Let me just do it. Yeah, I always put this on. Okay, there. Perfect. Let me just get my hair dryer. I just posted 2 days ago, you guys. Wait, is it 3 days ago? I think it was 2 days ago. I don't really remember. Okay, let me go change up in my closet. Katie really is at school. Katie's at school. Yeah. Can I make my bed today? Wait, what? I did? Oh yeah, I did. Why am I so forgetful too? Oh, girl, I can't go to work today. Let me message my boss. Yeah, let me just message my boss. Okay, perfect. Let me go change my clothes. Okay, I think this one is very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this today. Let me just do my makeup. Yeah, this is very nice. Just do my makeup. Let me just get some perfume on. And I'm feeling better, but not that better. You guys, I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna go with pancakes. Then we have some leftover pancakes. Let's see. Okay, we have some leftover pancakes. from last night, I think. Yeah, it was Katie. When you're sick, you always drink milk. I'm gonna get the milk carton of milk. Okay, I think we should go outside and get some fresh air, guys. Because I am really sleepy. Did I wash my face? Tell me in the comments, guys. I'm so forgetful. Did I wash my face? Girl. Attitude. Yeah, let me get some milk. Did I even wash my face? I'm a bit sleepy. At least I'm wearing something comfy today. I always go with my castle outfit. I go with this YTK outfit. Let me put it in the dishwasher. Oh my gosh, I have a running nose. Girl, I have a cold. Wait, okay, let me just turn it on. Wait, girl. Okay, oh my gosh, I need this tissue real quick. I need to blow my nose. Oh my gosh. Let me just throw this away. Like, okay, the trash can is here. Okay, I think I need to take my trash out. Where do I take my trash out? Oh, the trash cans. Okay, let me just go out. Okay, look like the trash cans are there. I love taking some air outside, but we need more air. Yeah. Okay, there. I'll be someone. Oh, what time is it? It's 8 a.m. I feel, guys. It's a.m. Okay. I literally paused the timer because I'm in the neighborhood. You can't join me right now because I set it to no one. No one can join me except me. Look at this. I'm the only one in the server, which is really scary. Oh my gosh. I really need some fresh air. The outside kitchen. Okay. And now I go to the tree house. Actually, I'm gonna go upstairs. Why do I keep changing my mind, girl? I know Katie likes to play Roblox, but in our roleplay series, this is actually a voiced bloxburg roleplay, so we always do like some fun moments together. Let's just go upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys the Layla's room. You guys haven't seen Layla's room yet, girl. Okay, when you come upstairs, this is the upstairs living room, and over here, this is Layla's room. She loves to read. She is 4 years old. She don't really play toys. She have a mini TV, a reading corner, some books, a desk. She goes to kindergarten, and over here her her closet. And wait, is that makeup? Did she steal my makeup? Girl, Layla, you're in trouble. Layla, if you're watching this, you're in trouble. Okay, when you join me, you're gonna be grounded for 2 weeks for stealing my makeup. No one steals my makeup. Okay, and this is her bed. She have a lot. Oh my gosh, why does she have so many bookshelves? Nightstands, her alarm. Okay, she have a balcony over here. She always uses it. It's really refreshing out here. Since I'm sick, I'm gonna stay here for a while. Yeah, I am sick. I think I'm sick. You have a glass roof over here in case it rains. Oh, it's just so nice. Also, it's been a while and I'm still really tired. I think I should get some rest. I think I should get some medicine too. Good. I remember there's some cowpole. Yeah, there's some cowpole. I'm gonna get some cowpole, you guys. I think the cowpoles are at the cabinet, the fridge cabinet. Yeah, I left it there. I don't know why. I'm still having a running nose. Girl. Okay, let's get some cowpole. Look where I got a cowpole. It's my favorite cowpole. I love cowpole, guys. I got the grape flavor. It's actually cowpole is actually really nice. Yum. I think after this I'll need some rest, so I'm going to my room. Wait, let me just finish this up, and then I'll put it in the dishwasher, and then I'll wash. Let me just turn this on. Actually, I'm kind of bored. There's a TV in my room, so I don't have to worry that much. I'm actually gonna watch some things. No, actually I'm using my TV. What's a TV for if I'm not using it? Okay, I think no. Okay, I think this one is nice. Yeah, I'm gonna sit and rest over here. So refreshing. Girl. Guys, so this comes to the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you're new here, my name is Gigi. Make sure you use starcode GIGII and when my Robux are premium. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before the end of May. I would like to get 150 subscribers. Then I'll do a giveaway with you all. My username is starcode1236. You can always. I'm not really accepting friend requests. I only accept friend requests during a giveaway or live stream. Bye.